Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 1 upon 3 bracket x plus 5 bracket over plus 6 is equals to 2 upon 3 bracket 2x plus 4 bracket over minus 4. We have to find the value of x. So first of all, here we multiply this one with this whole. So we write x upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 plus 6 is equals to, so now we multiply 2 with this whole bracket. So we write 2 to the 4x upon 3 and plus 4 to the 8 upon 3 minus 4. So now here we combine the x terms with each other. So now we write x upon 3. So x term 4x upon 3 plus 4x, we change plus 4x on the other side of equal, it becomes minus 4x upon 3 is equals to, now here remaining 8 upon 3 and minus plus 5 upon 3, we change plus 5 upon 3 on the other side of equal, it becomes minus 5 upon 3 and minus 6. So we write minus 6 and minus 4. So now here when bases are same, so the LCM is same, so we write upon 3. Now 4 my x minus 4x is equals to, now here is 3, both denominators are same, so the LCM is 3. So now here we write 8 minus 5 and minus 10. Minus 6 minus 4 is equals to minus 10. So now x minus 4x is equals to minus 3x upon 3 is equals to 8 minus 5 is equals to 3 upon 3 minus 10. So now 3 and 3 are cancelled, these 3 and these 3 are cancelled, so minus x is equals to 1 minus 10. So minus x is equals to minus 9, minus and minus are cancelled, x is equals to 9. So x is equals to 9. This is our answer.